Good morning, all of you. Hi, students. Myself Neeraj sir, as a math teacher, I welcome you all in this tutorial. Dear student, today we are going to discuss half-yearly syllabus of class 7 maths, chapter 3 rational numbers, and this is part 2 video. And today's topic is exercise 3.1 remaining part, exercise 3.2 some questions. Yes, student, exercise 3.1, question number 9. Express the following in the standard form. Here, see A part, 84 upon 144. So, we write here 84 upon 144. By 2, we will cut this. 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 42. And denominator, 2 7 ja 14, 2 2 ja 4. 72. Now 42 and 72 again by 2. Table of 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 6 ja 12. So now 21 and 36. So we will cut this number by 3. 3 7 ja 21, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. Now this is the simplest form, 7 by 12. So this is the final answer. Because no tables are there that we cut this number 7 by 12. See one more part, 72 upon minus 68. Here you see minus is at denominator place. So we shifted this minus to numerator place. So it become minus 72 upon 168. Here you see last digit is 2 and 8, so it is divisible by 2. So by 2, 2 3 ja 6, 1 remainder 12, 2 6 ja 12, 2 8 ja 16, 2 4 ja 8, 36, 84. Again by 2, table 2 1 ja 2, 1 remainder 1 6 16, 2 8 ja 16, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4. Again by 3, table 3 by table of 2, 2 9 ja 18, and this is 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2. Now we have 9 and 21. It is divisible by 3. 3 3 ja 9, 3 7 ja 21. So final answer is minus 3 upon 7. Why? Because no tables are there that we cut this 3 and 7. No common factors are there. So this is the final answer, and in this way you will simplify the given rational number. Okay. Yes, student, question number 10. Find the absolute value of the following. What is absolute value? We have learned that absolute value of any number is positive, always positive. So see here, 5 by 9 is positive sign. So absolute value of 5 by 9 equal to 5 by 9. And here you see minus 7 by 11. The absolute value of minus 7 by 11 becomes 7 by 11, because absolute value of any number is always positive irrespective of its sign. Here negative sign is there, so we have put positive sign. Okay, in this way remaining part you have to solve. Yes, students. Question number 11. Write two more rational number for the following pattern. First we have to see the pattern. Look here, 2 by 15 it becomes 4 by 17. How? So this pattern is by adding to both numerator and denominator. See here, 2 by 15, 2 is numerator and 15 is denominator. So 2 plus 2 becomes 4 and 15 plus 2 becomes plus 2, and here also plus 2. So it becomes 2 plus 2 4, 15 plus 2 17. Now again you have to add plus 2 both numerator and denominator. So 4 plus 2 becomes 6, 17 plus 2 becomes 19. Again you add 2 to 6 plus 2 8, 19 plus 2 21. Like that. Again you add 2, 8 plus 2 10, and 21 plus 2 23. So in this way you will find the next two numbers, rational numbers. Okay. Yes, question number 12. Arrange the following in ascending order. We have rational numbers like minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 7, minus 3 by 5, minus 4 by 9. So first we find out LCM of denominator. Denominators are 3, 7, 5, 9. So here we find out LCM 3, 7, 5, 9. LCM is 3 3 ja 9, 9 5 ja 45, 7 ja 315. 315 is the LCM of this denominator 3759. Now, as you see here, these all fractions are unlike fractions. So first we change this into like fraction as denominator 315. So look here, minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3. By what number you multiply these 3 so that the product is 315? Yes, 105. So we multiply 105 both numerator and denominator. So when we multiply this, it becomes minus 105 and this multiply 315. Next, minus 2 by 7. Minus 2 by 7. By what number you multiply 7 so that it becomes 315? Yes, 45. So by multiplying 45 both numerator and denominator, 2 into 45 minus 90, 7 into 40, 315. In this way, next third rational number minus 3 by 5. By multiplying 63 it becomes 315 and numerator also 63, it becomes minus 189. And last minus 4 by 9. We multiply 9 by 35 so that it becomes LCM, that is 315. So 4 into 35 minus 140, 9 into 35, 315. Now see here, ascending order is smallest to greatest. So see here, these are like fraction and which is smallest fraction. So see here, the smallest fraction is minus 105, minus 90, minus 189, minus 140. So this is the smallest because minus 189 by 315. Next 140 by minus 140 by 315, because negative number when the number is greater but it's negative, so it becomes a smallest number. So minus 89, minus 40, then minus 105 and last minus 90 upon 315. So minus 189 upon 315, we can write this minus 3 by 5. And for this minus 140 upon 315, we write this minus 4 by 9. In place of this number minus 105 and this we write minus 1 by 3, and in place of minus 90 upon 315 we write what? Minus 2 by 7. So this is the final answer. You can solve A and C part like that. Yes, student, question number 13. Which of the following is greater? We have two rational number, minus 9 by 22 and minus 16 by 5. So simply you write the question minus 9 by 22, minus 16 by 5 and put box here. Now by cross multiplying, you have to multiply in LHS side minus 9 into 5 and in that side RHS side minus 16 into 22. While multiplying this, it becomes minus 45 and multiplying this, it becomes minus 352. So clearly minus 45 is greater than minus 352. So LHS side is greater than RHS side. So LHS side number is minus 9 by 22. Clearly minus 9 by 22 is greater than minus 16 by 5. So in this way you have to solve remaining part, and this is B part. You have to solve A and C part like that. Yes, student. Next question, question number 14. List 4 rational number lying between -4 and -2. So you have to remember this pattern and you have to use in ninth class also. Same question you have to solve. So see here, -4 and -2. We have to find 4 rational number. So we write like that: -4 by 1, -2 by 1. We find out LCM of denominator. Denominator is 1 1. So LCM of 1 1 is 1. LCM is 1. How many rational number we have to find? That is 4. So this is n. Number of rational number find is n. 4. Now you have to multiply this LCM into n plus 1. So LCM is 1, n is 4, 4 plus 1 5, 1 into 5, that is 5. So LCM into n plus 1 is 5. So you have to change this denominator 5. That is LCM into n plus 1. So -4 by 1 equal to -4 by 1. By what number you have to multiply 1? So the product is 5. Clearly this is 5. So by multiplying both numerator denominator 5, so 4 5 ja 20, -20 by 5, and -2 by 1, 1 into 5, -2 into 5, -10 by 5. So you have to find 4 rational number between -20 by 5, -10 by 5. So clearly 4 rational number. -10 by 5 means 11, -11 by 5, -12 by 5, -13 by 5, 14 by 5, -19 by 5. So many numbers are there, and you have to write only 4 numbers between them, -10 by 5 and -20 by 5. So I write here -19 by 5, -18 by 5, -17 by 5, dot dot -11 by 5. In this way you have to solve these questions. Okay, remaining part. Yes student, starting exercise 3.2, first question. Add the following. See here, 5 by 8 plus -1 by 8, both are like fraction. So we have to take LCM of denominator 8 8 8, and we simply write the numerator digits. This is 5 plus -1. So we write like that. Now see here, plus into minus become minus. So 5 minus 1 upon 8. So it becomes 5 minus 1 4, 4 by 8. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. We simplify it. So answer is 1 by 2. See one more part, -7 by 9 plus -8 by 9. First we take LCM of denominator 9 9, it becomes 9. Now we write the numerator place digit. This is -7 plus -8. Now remove this bracket. So -7 plus into minus minus. So -7 minus 8 upon 9. So -7 minus 8 become -15 by 9. Cut this digit by 3. 3 5 ja 15, 3 3 ja 9. So final answer is -5 by 3. In this way you have to solve the remaining part. Yes student, addition of unlike fraction. See here, 3 by 14 plus 19 by 22. Since denominators are different, so both the fractions are unlike fraction. So first we change this fraction into like fraction. So we have to take LCM of denominator 14 21. So it becomes 42. Now we have to change this 14 into 42, 21 into 42. So to making this fraction like fraction. So 3 by 14. By what number you have to multiply 14 so that it becomes 42? Yes, 3. So both numerator denominator we multiply 3 plus 19 by 21. 21 into 2 becomes 42. So we multiply 2 2. Now see here, 3 3 ja 9, 14 3 ja 42, 19 2 ja 38, 21 2 ja 42. Now it becomes like fraction. So like fraction you Again take LCM 42, 42, 42, and now write the numerator place digit. It is 9 plus 38. Now 9 plus 38, 47, and upon denominator place number 42. So 47 by 42 is the final answer. So unlike fraction, you can solve like that. Ready, sir? Yes, sir, students. That's all for today. Have a nice day.